Whenever y'all pass this box, because we're going to fly.
Cool.
What is the number on y'all's wristband?
11.
Give a big smile and wave to the camera on your right.
I don't know where that camera's at, but
I mean, is it?
hello.
Yo, what the? You don't understand. Please, God. I'm sorry for anything I did. Please don't let go. I regret doing this. Okay.
Arms out. Arms out. Arms out. There you go. Arms out. Arms out, boy. Arms out. Don't be scared. Arms out.
I think I shit
Come on,
myself.
Superman. Superman. Come on, man. You got it. You got it. I was like, holy crap. My nuts went into my throat.
What the fuck?
I was like, remember, we have to try to grab that little pole when they bring it up.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, that was good. That was awesome. Woo!
I just flicked them off.
Holy shit. Yeah, when it comes up, he's about to give us the little deal, so we have to grab it. One of us is going to have to grab it.
You grab it.
Or I think all of us are going to have to try to grab it.
Okay.
Yep. Alright, cool.
Okay.
Yeah, we're trying to slow down. He's going to pull up the deal. When he pulls up the little pole, we're going to have to all try to grab it. Right.
Put your hands like this.
Yeah.
Hey. Hands like this.
Because that way you can grab it and have like a good grip.
Alright, first time back, everybody grab the loop with both hands.
Alright. You heard it?
Yeah,
Everybody
yeah.
grab the loop with both hands. That way we can all hold on to it.
Everybody grab the loop both hands.
Got it. There we go. Yeah, there we go.
Go ahead and drop that loop.
Right?
And smile and wave to the camera.
Wherever it is.
It's over there.
Did you record?
Go ahead and kick out those white foot bars.
Okay.
Let them dangle.
Alright. Keep out the white foot bars. Alright. Woo! And I felt the blood rush to like my freaking eyes.
Yeah, me too.
Now you're going to grab onto that ball right there and
Right.
stand on up.
Cool.
That worked.
Man, it was awesome.
Oh, my balls.
I mean, he and I have gone skydiving before, so he hadn't done that. So for him, he was like, holy crap. He's like, please don't let me die, God.
Looks like skydiving's next. Alright, y'all pick up those white foot bars.
Oh, shoot.
Come on back over here.
Right.
Hey. Let me get that GoPro off you.
Oh, yeah.